Namaste everyone, I am Ramya Shri. Welcome to my channel Ramya Jyotish. This is definitely for IPL 2025 final predictions. So first, let me tell what is my prediction. Then I'll tell the reasons related to that. Again mentioning, like in my previous videos, please don't make use of this video for any gambling or for any betting kind of activities. I don't support any of them and I don't endorse them also. And very importantly, if this prediction may go wrong also, as this is from a predictive science. So astrology is true, but astrologers are not true. So let me make the disclaimer first before proceeding. So first let me make the predictions and then let me detail out the reasons based on what I have done actually. So firstly, for the prediction today at 7:30 p.m. based on the match timing in Ahmedabad, there could be some disruptions or obstacles like delay in starting the match. But the second batting team has higher chances to win in this match. So I know this is final, so I have done a very lot of research team because both RCB and Punjab Kings has a red jersey. Mainly majorly red they are, and today is Tuesday, Mangalwar, which represents red, and both have not won even once also, and they are waiting from last 18 years. So seeing from both the perspective, it is a very tough prediction to make. So repeating again, it may go wrong also, so don't base any of your decisions based on this prediction. So second batting team has higher chances to win. This is my main ultimate prediction. But I'll detail out the reasons also. This win also won't come that easily for the second batting team. So they might have to fight very much actually. This requires lot of terrific passion, and win will come after a great struggle. So this is very much noted today because the Vara Lord Mangal is deep debilitated today. So the team whichever bats first will have to face a lot of struggle to bat. It could be very hard to bat. But if they show that amount of resilience and passion, aggression, definitely they can give a very high scoring match also. They can give a high scoring total for the opponent as well. And also to mention, Mangal, because he is deep debilitated in 28 degree today. So at the start he will be at 28 degree 12 minutes, and till if I see 12:30 a.m. or 4th of June, it will be at 28 degree 20 minutes. So because it would be near the deep debilitation degree only, Mangal is very low. So batting or the struggle will be very high for both the teams actually. First batting team will have a higher struggle is what I feel. Next, as per Prashna method, Lagna or Lagna Lord represents the first batting team and the 7th house or 7th Lord represents the second batting team. So because Vrishchik Lagna is the time 7:30 we will get, and if the match starts at the same time, considering that there would be no obstacles and everything would be fine today, there could be higher chances that the first batting team will struggle a lot because Vrishchik Lagna Lord is Mangal, and as I mentioned, he is Paramanicha today at 28 degree in the 9th house. So they will struggle a lot, and it won't be that easy to bat for them if they are batting first. But when it comes to the 7th house or 7th Lord, which is Vrishab Rashi, that is Venus, who was in exaltation till a couple of days, and now he is out of that exaltation and is in Mangal's Rashi, Mesh Rashi, which is powerhouse of energy, and is in Ashwini Nakshatra. So over the past instances, I have seen in many occasions when Venus in Ashwini Nakshatra, it is superb, and it has given exemplary performance as well. So the teams which had fell in this part, and when Venus was in Ashwini Nakshatra, they have given a fantastic performance, and that's why I see there is a slight or a very higher advantage for the second batting team. But we cannot rule out if Mangal's debilitation, despite of Mangal's debilitation, it is in Meena Rashi, so which is like a very good Navamsha. So this part also can become ultimatum for the first batting team if they show a very heroic passion and dedication to win the match. But again mentioning, the second batting team has higher chances to win. Next, seeing from the Shreyas Iyer's Kundli, because I felt captains of both the teams has to be analyzed because it's too intense. Because RCB's also is jersey is red color, PBKS is also red color. Both are playing on Tuesday. Mangalvar, which is red color, and Mangal is deep debilitated. That's a very turnover point today. Though many astrologers are telling it is very easy, Mangalvar. No, today Mangal is debilitated, deep debilitated, Paramanicha. Okay. So for Shreyas Iyer, as per his date of birth, December 6, 1994, Uttarashada Nakshatra, Makar Rashi, and match day nakshatra is Purva Palguni. So this nakshatra is Atimitra Tara for him. So good one. But the transit moon, that is Gochara Chandra, is in Simha Rashi, and the Janma Chandra is in Makar Rashi for him. So from Makar Rashi, Simha Rashi is 8th house. And in astrology, every time 6, 8, 12 are very struggling or evil houses, and 8th house is the most evil house. So this transit or this day may not be that good for him. But to remember, 2 days ago when Chandra came in Makha Nakshatra, he won the match. Because Makha Nakshatra became a very good Tara for him, and it could be a very good one for him. But I don't think Purva Palguni can favor him to that extent because transit, so it may not be that favorable. But for Rajat Patidar, if you see, he is the captain of RCB, and his date of birth, which is available, is June 1st, 1993. Though it looks like school date of birth, if I see Nakshatra is Chitra Nakshatra, and with the match day Nakshatra, it becomes Naidana Tara. It's a very evil Nakshatra, and because it comes in the third set of nakshatras, it is less evil compared to the previous ones. And another date of birth also I found, which is 16th of October 1993. I am not sure how true it is, but this date looks more favorable to him than anything else. So this date of birth has Swati Nakshatra, Rahu's Nakshatra, and match day Nakshatra becomes Sadak Tara, the best day for achievements. So if this is the right date of birth of him, then this day could be the best day for him in his life. And also seeing from both the date of birth, he is Tula Rashi person. And for Tula Rashi, the transit moon is in Simha Rashi, which becomes the 11th house. So I have seen from 7:30 p.m. till the night, and also June 4th till 1:30, 2:30 also. Chandra was in the Simha Rashi itself. And that's why I feel that this indicates great this is the some great wish fulfillment is also indicated as per this nakshatra analysis as well. So overall, to say from both Rajat Patidar as well as Shreyas Iyer's horoscope, today Rajat Patidar has slightly advantageous position, and if the match starts at the right time, then there could be some minor obstacles as I mentioned, but there could be some sudden debacle or a kind of a very hard start for the first batting team as well. So if this match gets delayed like the previous one, then the match may get even more intense also, because Mars is in the deep debilitation. So anything may happen. So I have presented my analysis, and I would say this is one of the toughest predictions. So please don't place any of your decisions based on this. Let's hope that a good team wins this match. Okay, a great team and a good team wins this match. Even I'm a RCB fan, so even I want my team to win. But keeping my emotions aside, I wish that the great team wins this match, and this is my predictions. So thank you. Have a good day.